In this video, I'm going to show you how much it costs to get started with SEMRush, so stay tuned. So here I am on the SEMRush website under prices, and we're looking at the pricing plans for the different service packs. So as you can see, they have Pro, Guru, and Business. So if you're a freelancer, startup, in-house marketer, and you want to use the 40 plus tools, do SEO, PPC, that kind of stuff, and try to model your competitors' traffic, understand where it's coming from, and then rank for some of the same keywords, you would go with Pro. And then if you're like a marketing agency or like in the middle here where you're looking for content marketing, branded reports, historical data, and more limits, then you would go with Guru. And then for like big agencies, and if you're doing like big e-commerce stores and stuff like that where you have tons of different funnels and websites, then you should probably go with the business package. These are paid on a month-by-month basis, or you can be billed annually and you can save 16%. So these would be the updated costs, which would be nice. So what do you get for these prices? Let's look at the feature comparison. So there's 40 plus advanced tools and features to boost your marketing. So SEMRush has amazing tools to do keyword research, track your competitors, figure out where you're ranking on your traffic, and much, much more. So it starts with domain and keyword analytics. So you can get a certain number of results per report, reports per days, and you can see the breakdown for each of these features. You can purchase an add-on to get a competitive intelligence report, so you can look at traffic analytics, competitor benchmarking, bulk traffic analysis, and the top pages from your competitors. You can create different projects with your keywords for your website and see where you're ranking, and then you can crawl those pages. You can also do scheduled reports. You can have multiple users that can access the tool and you can manage them. Content marketing, you can use the SEO content templates and then audit pages, figure out what countries to track, and then the posts to track. And then you can also get access to the traffic analytics API. So tons and tons of tools to help you start ranking in no time and start converting your leads into sales. Let's look at some of the frequently asked questions. So the currency is in US dollars. If you want to switch between plans or cancel your subscription anytime later, so you can downgrade, upgrade your plan at any time, cancel the subscription at any moment, and they have a 7-day money back guarantee. They accept several payment methods, so major credit cards, wire transfer, check or money. There are custom plans available, so if you're a huge enterprise and you want to leverage this, you can call them and set up a meeting and try to figure out what your enterprise needs. So will you be charged automatically if you don't cancel your 7-day subscription? Yes, so you got to cancel within 7 days. They offer a 7-day money back guarantee on the subscription, so you can send it to their email address. And then you have a 30-day grace period after you delete your account to recover those projects and look at them. And if you renew your account, then your data will be saved, which is good. So as you can see, they have testimonials. So it looks like that Aiden Segal says that it saves his team a lot of time using data to drive their decisions with keyword research and automation. Nick says that it's a really solid tool, finds it really useful, and that data is his currency because he relies on it for his results. James says that it's really hard to rank for those keywords, which he's right. And you have to really look for the long-tailed keywords and really specific keywords, and SEMRush helps you do that really effectively. So there are a ton of different reviews on SEMRush. It's a great tool. It's super popular. It's one of the best on the market, and I highly suggest that you try it out. I'm going to put a link in the top of my description, and if you click that link, you'll be directed to SEMRush so you can try out the tools. I am an affiliate of SEMRush, so if you want to support me and you want to use SEMRush to boost your business productivity, then I suggest you check out that link and click it and go check out the products. If you want me to make more videos on SEMRush or other keyword research tools, then say yes in the comments below. SEMRush is an amazing tool, and I hope you use it to boost your SEO rankings and to search your competitors and figure out how you can start dominating on the internet. Along with keyword research, there's a ton of other things you have to worry about when you're trying to build an online business. You need to learn how to build the right funnels to convert leads into sales. You need to learn how to set up an autoresponder, create funnels, and how to generate your first sale. There's so much that goes into it between ads and SEO and everything else. Wouldn't it be great to follow a step-by-step guide that would get you off the ground and start generating new sales with your online business? Well, great news, because I have a free ebook just for you to help you get your business off the ground in no time. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. You can grab my free guide on how to start an online business. With my ultimate guide, you'll learn how to pick a niche, how to sell products online, how to use ads, how to do SEO, where you can do keyword research, and how to find the right affiliate networks to promote. And you'll even learn how to get your first sale. If you want to start your online business and start making money today, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put a link at the top of my description. If you like this video, hit that like button, stomp on that subscribe button, and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for listening. There's a video right after this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.